This is a VPNUK setup tutorial for creating an IKEv2 connection on Android devices through the strongSwan app, which is available from Play Store. I will now guide you through the entire setup procedure, including the installation of our CRT certificate file. This setup is being carried out on Android version 13, Tiramisu. The setup may differ slightly to other Android systems. Go to our website at VPNUK.net, then go over to the navigation menu, and select Setup Guides, then scroll down to Android devices. Scroll down the page to the strongSwan overview and click onto the Setup Guide. If you do not yet have strongSwan installed on your device, you now need to download and install it from Play Store. Once installed, scroll down to Part 2 of the Setup Guide and download the VPNUK.CRT certificate. You can then import the certificate file with the strongSwan certificate installer. Go to your apps and open the strongSwan app. We will now create the connection profile and connect to your VPNUK account. Click onto Add VPN Profile. We will now create the profile. Enter the DNS address of the VPNUK server you would like to connect to. Ensure the VPN type is set to EAP username, password. Then enter your VPN login username and password. We now need to import the .CRT certificate that we installed earlier. Uncheck the Select Automatically checkbox, and click onto Select CA Certificate. Go to User Certificates, and then click onto the VPNUK root CA certificate file. You can now click Save. To connect to the VPN, you click onto the connection profile. If you have any questions or problems, please come over to the live help service on the VPNUK website at VPNUK.net. Thanks for viewing. Goodbye.